Good morning, students. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to solve October-November 2020 paper, and we will start with the first task, which is documentation production. All right. So here we go. We will start with the task one, which is evidence file. Open the file, which is N220 evidence. Okay. So now to do that, we will go to our support file folder. Right click, extract all, extract here. All right, so now here we go. So evidence and 220 evidence. All right, so now set open. Yeah, mhm. Yeah, it is open. Enable editing. Click on enable editing, and then let's go to the next question. Make sure your name, center number, candidate number will appear on every page of this document. Save this document in your work area as N220 evidence followed by your candidate number. Okay, so now to do this, I will go here. First, we will insert header and footer. Anything you can put here, either header or any footer. Choice is yours. You can choose anything because they did not mention here. Okay, so now name is ABC, center number IN123, candidate number is 1234. All right, so done. Now I'm going to file, save as this. Okay, so this is my support file folder. Here I'm going to save it. This is with evidence with candidate number followed with candidate number, and save this in a Word document and save it. All right, so now I'm minimizing this because we don't need this file anymore. Only whenever we need to take a screenshot, we'll take the screenshot and paste it over there. Next, task two is the documentation. All right. So you are going to edit an information sheet. The company uses a corporate house style for all its document. Two paragraph styles have already been created. So here, as they instructed, we got already it is been created. Next, additional paragraph style must be created and applied, then applied to the information sheet as instructed. Okay, so now we will begin with the question number one. Open the file on 22.0. Okay, 220 event.rft, and the page setup is set to A4, landscape orientation 2 centimeter margin. Do not make any changes. So here also we don't have to make any change, but we need to save this document in our work area, okay, using a suitable software, which is RW details. All right, so now to do that, let me go to my support file folder here, and let me open the event. So yeah, and click on enable editing. All right, now we need to save as in our work area with RW details and in a suitable software, which is Microsoft Word document. Save it. Next, do we need to take any print out here? Place an evidence document, a screenshot showing the file has been saved. So to do that, I will go here, and this is the file. Let me take the screenshot. This is the file. So Windows plus print screen. Now this is the file showing the RW details, and paste in your evidence file, which is our first evidence. Done. Now next, let's go to the question two. Place in a header your name, center number, candidate number, center align, and in footer automated page number, right align. Okay, so in header, center align. Okay, insert header and footer. So I'm choosing three header. Here I'm going to put my name ABC, center number 123, candidate number is 1234. Done. And then again in footer, page number should be at the center align. Let me check. Is it center align? Right align. So here, page number at the bottom would be right align. Yes. So here we can see header and footer is appearing in all the pages. Next. All margins are matched to the page margin, perfectly fine. No other text placeholder are included in the header and footer area. Yes, we can see here clearly, nothing is visible. Next, header and footer are displayed on all the pages. Yes, already we checked. Next, let's go to the question 3. At the start of the document, enter the title called Tawara MTB Marathon Race. So, all right, so where is the beginning? Here it is. Just press enter, go up and then control V. All right. So this is done. Next, this is done. Okay, create and store the following style basis of each default paragraph style. All right. So now this is the style which we are going to create now. Okay, so I will start with RW title first. Okay, to do that, now we are going to our main folder, main document, and click on styles. Okay, so let me click on styles. So our new style name is, okay, it should be default. So this is default style based on, okay, based on normal and default, and both I made it as a default. So control V. Okay, so student, as I told you, you need to click on an anywhere in the empty space so that to avoid any kind of mischanges of your document. Okay, so now I'm going to create a new style. Click on new style. Okay, and make it as a default and normal. And here also you can make it as a default and normal. Style name is RW title. All right, so now what is RW title? RW title, and this is sheriff, and 36 sheriff is Times New Roman. So now here I'm going to change it to Times New Roman. Font size is 36. So now let me make it as a 36. Done. And then it is center align. So go to format, paragraph. Okay, alignment should be center and then press OK. So center align. Bold and italic. Here it is bold and italic, single line spacing and 00. So format, paragraph. This should be single, already default it is single and 0 and press it OK. Fine. Anything else? Nothing else. Press OK. So now we created RW title. Now next, RW subtitle. They are asking us to create here. So now click on a new. Okay, RW subtitle, make it as a normal and default. This is also normal and default. Next, this is sans serif, which is Arial. So already by default it is Arial. Next, it is 20 is the size. Font size is 20. So now 20. Next, right align. All right, so this is right align. Next, underline. I need to keep it as underline. Then single and 00. So now we will go to format and make it as a single and 00. Press OK and then OK. So done. So subtitle is also done. This is also done. All right. So now let me go to the next RW subheads. Okay. So now we will go again here, new style, and then RW subheads. This is also make it as a normal and normal. All right. So now sheriff again here also this is Times New Roman and then 18 points. So here we are going to choose 18 points. Center align, bold and underline, single line spacing before 0 and after 8. Okay. So format, paragraph, single line spacing and before 0 and after is 8. Okay. So now this is 8 and then press OK. Okay. So all three body, style, and everything is done. Take take place in your evidence document showing that shows that the style setting have been defined for the RW sub subheads, right? Subhead style. Okay, so now subhead style, right click, modify, Okay, let me take the screenshot, Windows plus print screen. Okay, you need to take a screenshot and paste in your evidence document. All right, so now here we go. Done. Yeah, next. Now what we need to do here, display this custom style name as a list in your style manager, provided screenshot. Okay, so now we need to show all together. So where is my document here? So this is the list, Windows plus print screen. So now let me take this, okay, and then paste it here in your evidence name. Control V. All right, done. Now next, the style RW body has already been created, stored and applied to the document text. Modify this. So here student they are asking us to modify the body styles. So to do that, I will go to my main document and let me check where is body. Body is here. Right click and modify it. Okay, so now we are in modified mode. So now it should be Shan Sharif means Arial. So first font is changed. Second is 10 points. Here it is 13, so let me make it 10. Alignment is justified, so we will make it as a justified. Enhancement is none, so let me remove italic. And single line spacing, okay, let me go to paragraph and make it as in single line spacing. Before 0 and after 9, before 0 and after 9, and then press OK. Yeah, all the changes are done. Let me take the screenshot, Windows plus print screen. Here is the print screenshot and we will paste it here. So now where I need to paste here is a evidence for control V. All right, done. So now let me go to the question again. So now apply the RW title to the style. Okay, title which we done in the step 3. All right. So now let me go here. So let me close the style manager. Okay, so now I selected this. Okay, and then RW title, perfectly fine. Now next. Next is enter your name immediately after the event detailed by, okay, name, ABC. Any center number are they asking us to put it? No, only this. Apply RW subtitle style to it. So now let me select it and where is subtitle? This is my subtitle. Done. Change the page layout so that the subheading event format and the following text display in two column. Event format and all following text to be two column, 2 centimeter space. All right. To do this, where is event column? Event format column till the bottom. Okay. So now I'm going to make it as a layout columns, more columns. We have two columns and spacing is 2 centimeter and press OK. Done. Next, what I need to do here. Apply the bullet to this list form wiper to the underwater. Okay, so only the bullets. Yes. Okay, all right. So now where is the list? Where, yeah, here. So wiper till underwater I selected and apply the bullet list. So where is bullet list? Bullet list is here, applied. Now what the changes they are asking us to put? The bullet are indentation to 1.5 centimeter from the left margin. Right click, paragraph. Okay, left margin is how much? 2.5. Sorry, it is 2.5 centimeter. Okay, and then press OK. Yeah, after that, the list is a single line spacing. So again, here by default it is single, but we will make sure, yeah, it is single line spacing. There is a 9 point after the last item. All right, so let me keep it as it is. Now let me select the last point, right click, paragraph, and here I'm going to change it after is 9 points and okay. So here we see the gap. Next, identify the 6 subheadings in the document and apply RW subhead style to each of one. Okay, so to do that, let me find out this is number 1 and subhead 1. This is number 2, subhead 2. Okay, and organization 3. Okay, and for the course is 4. And junior race is 5, and the facilities and campaign is 6. All right, so this is 6. Yep, 6 everything done. Locate the table and apply RW title style to it. Okay, so now this is the table. Let me select the whole table and RW table. Perfectly fine. Yeah, we're done. Next, anything else? Delete the entire row of no vice Paris category. Okay, so now let me delete this no vice Paris. All right, so this is here. So let me select it and right click here and delete the entire cell, entire row and delete it. Done. Now next, anything else I have to do? Now edit the table so that it will be look like this. Okay. So now this would be the right click, merge the cell and center align. All right. Now next is perfectly fine. Do we need to change? Okay, here this all text should be center align, and this should having what, right click. Okay, so now right click. Okay, so here I'm going to go to the table property. Okay, and these are the column. Let me go here, cell, and they should be center, and then press OK. All right, done. Next, this is perfect. No need to change. This is also perfect. All right. So yeah, here a little bit. Yep. Okay, this solo is also center. Everything is center. So let me, okay, Control Z, and then let me select this. Right click, table properties, cell, and this would be center. Perfect. All right. Anything else? Nothing else. None. Yeah. Yeah. Next. Format only the first row of the table has a white point, 14 point, bold and italic and black background. So let me select this and go to paint bucket and make it as a fill with black, and the color would be, text color should be white, and this, the entry of option should be 14. Yep, done. Anything else? Nothing. Make sure the table borders and all data fit in a column. Yep, it is fit in a column. Next. Yeah. So now I'm just going to adjust it. Yeah, here it is. Perfectly fine. Next. No words are split or text wrap. Yeah, here nothing is split and text wrap. All internal grid lines display while printed. Yep, internal grid lines are clearly seen. There is a 9 point space after the table. Okay, so after the table, let me go here within student. This is the trick you can use to avoid any error. Control Z. Just click here and right click and go to paragraph, and this should be, make this 0 and this would be 9, and then apply. Yeah, here you will see the some changes. Okay, done. Spell check and proofread of the document. Okay, so now I hope you remember, as I told you, Fn plus F7 is the spell check. Okay, however, spelling is wrong. Please space 14 centimeter. Entertainment spelling is wrong. And avoid, ignore ones. Avoid the nouns. If is wrong. Okay, seminar spelling, enjoyment, spectra. So just do the necessary changes. Perfect. This is all is done. Okay, we don't need any style manager here. Perfect. So now, do we need any empty page here? I don't think so. We need it. So let me delete. All right. So this is perfect. Next, the list and table are not split. Let me check the list and the table. So here, table is also not splitting and list is also not splitting. There is no widows and orphans. So right click here somewhere. Just go to paragraph. Okay. So now we'll click here and go to paragraph. Line and page breakup, remove widows and orphans. Press OK. Okay, this is done. No blank page, just now we did. So we just select and delete it. So there is no blank page. Next, spacing consistently between all the items. Yes, we make sure that spacing is perfectly fine. Save the document and print your document. So here you need to just press Control P and you need to take the print out, dear students. I hope, yeah, are we done? Yes, we're done. So now I hope you enjoy watching this video, students, I'm requesting you, please like the video and subscribe to my channel and help me to reach out, to more students, okay, so that these videos will really help them in their studies. Thank you very much.